Hello, everybody. It's me, Scooter, and I'm in here with my wonderful doggy, loving, compassion dog, Toke. And me and Toke decided we discussed where we wanted to eat today. I said, "You want Chinese?" She said, "Oh." So I said, "How do you feel about Chick-fil-A, Toke?" And Toke went bananas. And Toke, what did we get you? We got Toke this a chicken sandwich. Okay, Toke, here goes your sandwich. There you go. Get it. Sick it. Come on, Toke. You better eat it. Come on. And pretty much that sandwich is gone. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoyed these short videos.